Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. The purpose of today's video, I'm going to solve the main problem, the keyboard not working, most of the HPs, Dells. So for a quick walkthrough, I'm going to see if I can search here. When I type, nothing appears, and when I open my notepad, I can't type either. Nothing appears to be typed. So the first thing you do, you open your control panel, then you go to the ease of access center, open it, and click on change how your keyboard works. It depends if you're using Windows 11 or 10, then turn these options off, all these 4 options off, then click apply. You can click OK or cancel. It's happening. For me, I'll cancel this as long as I already applied the settings. Then I can see if it's now typing. Let me try out. You see, it's now typing. When I open my notepad, now it's typing too. So the problem is solved. Simple as that. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. So don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.